I've always been hands-on, and so I enjoy it a lot, and it's where I want my career to be. What this program offers is, like, say you want to go to Tulsa Welding School in Oklahoma. Well, here you have everything that they offer, so you'll get all your certs in high school rather than going to a college and getting them. So that gives you a little more room to, when you graduate, you can straight go into the field. It means I have to stand my ground, because boys, like, they get all high and mighty and try to, like, walk around, but you just gotta be like, hey, I can do the same thing that y'all can. Like, just don't treat me anything different than just because I'm a female.